Meet Dwayne. Dwayne is a plumber. So, as you'd expect, he knows quite a bit about pipelines. But Dwayne doesn't want to spend his life with his head in the cupboard under the sink. He's got an idea. Dwayne is going to open a regional office which employs many plumbers. His business plan is created, competition and clients researched, new leads have been generated by prospecting. He's swapping his literal pipeline for a metaphorical one. When it comes to managing that pipeline, Dwayne will need some help. That goes for you too. Whether you're a plumber, salesperson, or marketing agent, you'll find the tips inside this course to be invaluable to help move those sales along that pipeline. They include following up on your leads, assessing your customers' needs, managing your time effectively, meeting critical targets, and more. So, like Dwayne, when you're ready to get started, let's take the plunge. We won't force it. See what we did there?